Okay, in this video I'm going to explain how you can quickly get off the Doordash Dasher waitlist in 2024. So if you're stuck on the waitlist for more than a month or however long it may be, here's what we have to do. So the first thing that we can do if we have access to the Dasher app is just log in here and contact customer support. If we don't have access and we're just stuck on the waitlist screen, then you go and open up your web browser here, and this is the phone number which you can call 855, the one that's highlighted. You can see it right here. So you will call this number, and here's what you have to say. You will say that you have changed your region. So if you have changed your region on DoorDash, then chances are there is going to be a lower amount of dashers. And if you tell them the correct region or the one that you're staying in, then they can help assist you with activating your DoorDash Dasher account, and that way you will be able to, get off the wait list and start dashing. So contact them, tell them that you've changed your region, update your region to your current one, and then hopefully they let you dash. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.